Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. If you are a great fan of eggs and potatoes, then this recipe is just the right choice for your breakfast or maybe lunch or snacks. Today I will be making Spanish omelette, but I have given a little bit of my Indian touch to it. So let's get started. I have taken 3 large potatoes. Peel and wash your potatoes before cutting them. Do not wash them after cutting. Do not cut the potatoes too thin, not too thick. They should be of thickness like this. Next, slice 1 large onion of more or less the same thickness like the potatoes. Then I mixed up the potatoes and the onions all together. Now here starts my Indian touch to the recipe. I have used 1 red chilli and 1 green chilli. These kind of red chillis are very mild, that's why I used 1 whole. But chillis are optional and you can leave it out completely. I have filled up my non-stick pan with a cup of oil and let it heat up on medium-high heat. Always use a non-stick pan for this recipe. Once the oil turns hot, add the potatoes and onions. Level everything, then add the chilies, and then you do not have to do much to it. Let the potatoes get fried on medium-high heat. In between, I just gave a little stir, and as you can see, the potatoes and onions have started to turn golden brown. Potatoes are almost done and they have become tender as well. At this point I have taken 5 large eggs in a bowl. Use 6 eggs if the eggs are small. Very lightly mix the eggs, and here again comes my Indian touch to the recipe. I have used just a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of red chilli powder, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of cumin powder. It's not that you have to add these spices, you may leave them out completely. The choice is all yours. Mix the spices with the eggs. The potatoes are now done. Switch off the stove. With a slotted spoon, transfer the hot potatoes and onions to the egg mix. Now you must be thinking, oh, she has forgotten to add the salt. Here comes a good 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt draws out the moisture, so I always add it once the potatoes get fried so that they stay moist inside while frying. Mix the fried potatoes and onions with the eggs. Do not worry if you see some bits of eggs getting scrambled. Now let this sit for about 5 to 8 minutes so that the potatoes soak up all that goodness of those spices and the whole thing thickens up a bit as well. There is quite a bit of oil left after frying the potatoes, and I do not need so much of oil anymore. So I strain the oil and I am going to reuse this oil later. I added just a tablespoon from this oil. Heat the oil on medium to high heat. Once the oil turns hot, add the potato onion egg mix. Level everything and keep it on medium high heat for a minute. Then lower the heat to low. Check every 5 minutes, run your spoon around the edges. You will soon see that if you shake the pan, the whole omelette also moves with it. That's when you will get an idea that the omelette is starting to set. Keep the flame of your stove very low, and all you need now is patience and patience. Now you can see that the egg is still a bit runny, but most of it is set. It took me about 10 minutes to come to this stage. Here comes the fun as well as the tricky part. Take a plate larger than your pan, invert it on your pan, hold the plate tightly and invert your pan. Then slide the omelette carefully in the pan again. Keep the heat on medium-high for a minute, then lower the heat and give it a few more minutes. Use your spoon and press around the edges. Now here again comes the fun part. Put a plate on top of the pan. Hold the plate tightly and again invert the pan. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves on top. This tastes great even at room temperature, so you can even pack this for lunchbox. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.